Good morning. Doing good. How are you?
Good morning, good morning. Look in this level here, 553, guys, 553. No trade, I'm just looking this level, 553. I'm watching price action. See what happened here.
Check, check, check. Okay. How about now? How about now? Check, 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 check. Can y'all hear me? Let's go. Gosh, my goodness, guys. I was having the worst technical difficulties this morning. The absolute worst. The absolute
Empty
worst.
shorts.
If it's your first stream, my apologies. My
Empty short,
goodness,
guys.
guys. My
Entry,
OBS
534.
was not working. All right, we're good now. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Was quick drop.
Greg in the shorts. Let's go. Yo, Grandma. Yo, Grandma the lamb. Ask her longs or shorts. Shorts. Grandma says shorts today, guys. Grandma says we're going lower from market open. We're going lower. Take that as you will.
Trimming here, guys. Trimming some here. We are at the opening, okay? Stop loss or break even. As quickly as possible. Trimming some. Second good trade of the day. Let's see if we can get the scenario 498. The one that I posted in the morning. 498.
What's up, Gene? Good morning, bro.
Good morning. And just a little kiss.
Computer was having technical difficulties.
Hey guys, stop loss must be in profit now. Trimming one more here. Stop loss in profit. 498 approaching. Be careful, okay? This is the level we want to kiss.
Aston, hey,
Nice trade, Greg.
Aston,
thank you very much.
I took that with you, Greg.
Beautiful, Leslie.
Hold on, let me get a picture of that.
It's good ice cream, huh? We're making money, Chrisley.
I made 1,200 off of it. I'm already out.
Jesus.
Look at this dog.
Jesus, Chrisley.
Graham knows.
Hey guys, 498.
We're up 20 points from Grandma's entry. We're up a lot of points from Greg's entry, too. Let's go.
498 being keys right now. Stop loss in profit, 3. One more here. Be careful with the massive. You can get bouncing now. Okay, keep dropping, baby. Keep dropping. Keep dropping.
Keep dropping.
Okay.
Damn, Graham with the banger trade again.
Runner for mega trade, guys. Runner for mega trade. 434 will be mega trade level, okay? Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Grandma. Greg and Grandma.
The best win rate this week.
Man, what a trade. Jesus. I think we don't need anything else. I think we are done.
Greg and Grandma with the eval passer. Let's go.
The 3G. Greg, Grandma, Grizzly. Listen.
Greg, Grandma, Grizzly. That's what I'm talking about.
3 Gs.
I guess Gene too. Yeah, Gene. 4 Gs. 4 Gs and a J.
Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, the next level I have, guys, is 465. Okay. It's the beginning of the week. a daily week zone. So important daily level. 24465. Be
I
careful
like
with that
shorts
level.
like a pullback to the 500 to 520. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. We got pre-market 12 at 540. So
Grandma, you're
Beautiful.
printing again. You're print.
Oh man.
You're balling out.
So I need to know who took this trade with us. The 3Gs. Give us a kiss. Come on. Give us a flame.
Give it a hot, give it a flame.
Not many people took the trade with us, huh? It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Oh yeah, that was money bags.
Stop loss in profit, guys. Are you still on this trade, Grizzly?
no, I was out earlier. I made 1200 and I got out.
Nice. Nice. You're welcome.
Nice.
I went to see 465. Once I touch 465, maybe I will close my trade because this is the daily week. So I need to be careful.
Sorry, T-Boy, I got to get the screen share up. I didn't realize screen share wasn't up. I had to take it off for a second. Oh, let's see there it is. There it is. Damn, that was an amazing opening trade.
Yes, sir.
That was an amazing opening trade. Grandma called a banger shorts. Greg called banger shorts.
We have a ton of Fed speakers today.
I know what that means for you, Grizzly.
Typically horrible trading day. But we're already getting good movement, so
Typically, you say I'm out of here.
I think if we
Yeah,
push up to
465
test that
approaching.
500 again, I'm gonna try some shorts.
Okay, guys, touching 465. Be careful here. Stop losing profit, okay? If price action stop reversing, I'm gonna close my runs. 30 more points for mega trade. 30 more.
Give him 30 more points for mega trade. Come on.
Yes, please.
Give him 30 more
There you
points
go.
for mega trade.
20 to go now.
Absolutely
20 more, 20 more.
insane.
Reason why I took the shots. Remember this level, guys, 553. They opened it, they broke it, came back, retested. Price action stayed showing down. Reason why I took the shots.
We are
Following the morning scenario.
free falling. That's what I'm talking about.
Come on, baby, come on. 20 more points. 20 more points for mega trade. Come on. Come on. Ten more points. 10 more points now. Keep going, baby.
10 more points. That was
Yes, very nice.
That was an absolutely insane trade.
Thank you. Who's still holding with me? And green nice. Who's still holding? My mega trade level is 34.
100-point
Come on.
trade. Boom! 34 to a T. Literally to a T.
Yes, sir.
Hey, let's
99.
go.
99 points. And come on. Just a little more. Just a little more down. Come on. Give me 100.
Let's go. Wow. That was bananas.
Thank you.
That was bananas.
Boom, that's it, guys. Mega trade level. Mega trade, guys. Mega trade. Stop loss move to 434. 434. That's it.
Stop loss at Mega Trade. That's
Trade level.
diabolical.
That's it. From now on, Monster Trade or Mega Trade? Let's see.
What's Monster Trade? 200?
Yeah, it would be 334 back. That's it.
Monster Trade is 200 points.
Stop. That's it, guys. Stop loss. Stop at 434. I'm done. Mega Trade.
Look what a
Beautiful trade,
15-minute range, Jdun.
Guys, I think there's no more trade for me. One red, one green, and one Mega Trade. I think I'm done. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Oh, that was gangster.
Thank you.
That was absolutely great work, Mr. Greg. Doesn't get much better than that.
Thank you
It would
very
have been
much.
better if I hadn't paper handed.
That was nuts. I gotta get my music playing. That's where it's too quiet in here. I can't be trading in the quiet.
Okay, guys. Eyes on 395. 395. I'm not gonna take more trade.
Time for a mega bounce. I don't know about that.
I'd like a nice pullback to get some shorts. Yeah.
I mean, what do you even think? What level can we look for? There's been such an aggressive pullback. What a 15-minute range we got today too.
Around that 496 probably. Push up.
Yeah, it's pretty much all I see too.
I mean, we could take if we retrace this candle here enough, we could try it. We just have to keep our stops above that 477.
Our levels are marked out. Let's see. Kind of like that 496 area too. Let's see. This is your daily reminder to choose discipline over dopamine. Everybody, trade smart, trade safe. So let's see. I think we got to try it if we get up to that 490 area. I think it's a must. We're going to have to. Go get a job. Well, good morning to you too, my brother. How's it going? Are you having a good day? I hope you are. I hope you're having the best day. We out here working. Oh, I was like, damn, bro. Oh, that was awesome for Team Bull. Best live on social media. Thank you, guys. It's just some wild price action. Getting closer, Grizzly. It's the higher 527.
I'm in some shorts here on NQ. Average should be in the 80s at least. We gotta keep her stop if we close back above that 24,500.
Try to piece with you. 87. We'll add a little more if we go higher. Try the shorts, guys, up here.
We do have Fed speakers. Typically my worst day to trade, so I'm telling you, take this lightly.
I like this whole 90 area.
Don't you do it.
Trying a tiny more up here, guys, at 500. The stops at 525.
If you push up too much, I will have to stop here.
Yeah, 525 is my stop. 525 is my stop, guys. I'm half size. $525 is my stop. So I'll end the day or end the trade red just over $1,000. So technically close to a full size loss for me if we go up there. Stops are above 525 on this trade.
May stop us. How much time we got?
Yep, 525. 525, I will stop for a loss.
Why is nothing working on that?
I still like this area. You only have about 15 points so far. If we break above 525, we likely go test that pre-market high. So I'll stop for a loss at 525. This was the 50% retracement, the only area I really liked as far as a lower high for the day. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
Keep
Come on,
pushing
baby. Die. Die, baby, die. Yes. I was a little worried about that one. I'm going to take a little off down here, guys, from those ads up there. I'm going to take a little off down here just to be safe. I want to see a low day out of this mother effer. Let's go. Yo. I'm not going to lie, guys. I was a little stressed about that one.
Nice trade, man.
Yo.
Nice trade.
Had you sweating.
That one, I thought I was about to get my ass stopped. No, sir. No, sir. Let's go. Yo. Yo. Grizzly Glock.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
That's what I'm
Beautiful
talking
trade,
about,
guys.
bro.
Beautiful trade.
Yo. I'm taking a little more off down here. The rest of me, they're holding till break even, or I'm gonna sell it low a day. There is no in between, guys. It is gulag or break even. It is gulag or break even. There is no in between.
I don't even know what's up with trading views, where I can't even get my indicators to show up.
That was awesome. That was
I think you have room. You have room until 395, Jdun. So it's looking good. Man.
Anybody in these shorts with me? Or Jdun? Either of us?
Oh yeah. Oh, we're in, baby. We're in. We're in, baby. That was amazing, guys. That was dope. It felt so sick, Gene. What? He's making fun of Brandon. What Brandon do? Let anybody take my trade, please.
Give us low a day. That's what I want.
I want low day too. Please give us low day, please. Yo, let's get a roll call. If you guys are making some money with Greg, Grizzly, Grandma, or Jdun, let me know in the chat. Type how much we're up for the day. Type how much we're up for the day, chat. How much y'all up? If you're making money with Grizzly, Grandma, Greg, or Jdun, type how much you're up. 1,900, 1,000, 270, 100, 500, 853, 244. Let's go. 1,100 on eval. Pass my 50K eval. 1K, 714, 2620. Let's go! 35 hundo. Come on now. Come on. Bro, I literally thought that was dead ass about to stop me and then rip. I was going to be so salty. I was literally going to be so salty.
Come on, low day. Give it to us. Wrong way. Are we getting low a day out of this? Or is it going to chop it around like it did yesterday?
Ugh. Oh, that was awesome, guys. I think it looks like a low day. Low of day. Low of day. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm done for today, guys. No more trades.
You out of here, Greg?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day, Greg.
Make money before you too, bro.
Nice job, Greg.
Make
You
money
killed
before 10 a.m. Thank you. You too, guys. Great job.
it. Let's go.
Make money before 10 a.m.
Yo, if you guys haven't already,
one.
I'm breaking down my entire
That's
system
it.
and strategy on October 6th.
If you want to continue
through the
trading,
8th.
trade smart and trade safe.
Hold on.
If you make money, please don't
Make
risk
sure you
it.
guys register for my
It's my
3-day
advice.
masterclass. It is 100% free.
We have a lot of speakers.
100% free starting
today,
October
so
6th. I just
If
pinned
you
the
make
link
money,
in the YouTube comments.
look out. That's my advice. Take care, guys.
Come on, low a day.
And see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Be careful with 395, okay? I posted on the admin trading floor. It's the weekly level, so really strong really strong weekly level. So 243.95. Be careful with that guy.
Okay, now that
Take care,
Greg's done.
Jadon.
Nope, he's
Take
not.
care, Grizzly. See you tomorrow, guys.
See you,
Take
bro.
care, Timber
Peace.
family.
All right,
Peace.
now that Greg's done
Bye-bye.
talking, make sure you guys are all registered for my 3-day free masterclass. I'm teaching all of my strategies and I'm doing everything in my power in my discipline over dopamine life to get you guys to a place of confidence and profitability in your trading. Come on, low a day. Come on. Push. 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 Come on. Come on. Push.
It's gonna be a massive trade we break low day.
Oh, bro.
Well, massive point wise. I was light.
Heater. We dead ass got 5 points for my stop, bro. I thought I was cooked for sure. I absolutely thought I was cooked.
Oh, don't you do it wrong way.
Wrong way.
Don't know yet. Still in. Still in.
Ching, ching, ching. It took me out to rehab and I started questioning my existence. Oh, that was awesome, guys. That was great. Da-dum, da-dum, da-da-dum, dum. To the same. Ball like I won a championship game.
I'm out of that trade.
I'm out too, guys.
By the way.
Noah's baby, Noah's game. Tied. High hopes for it. Oh, that was awesome. That was absolutely gangster, though, guys. I did not. I thought we were cooked for a split second. That was great. That was great. That was great, great, great. We thought we were cooked. We were not. We did the cooking. All 24, would you go? Would you like that? Oh, that was awesome. That was a good time. That was a good time. Now is a good time that we made some money for you guys all to get registered for my 3-day free masterclass. I have never done one of these before. Never. I'm going to be going over my entire trading system. I'm going to be doing my absolute best to help you manage your risk, stay disciplined, stay focused, be accountable, and be attentive with every trading day, and giving you all the pieces you will need to have a profitable fourth quarter of the trading year. So click where it says save your seat, get registered. It takes about 20 seconds. And if you aren't on YouTube or if you can't click right now, you can always DM me on Instagram if you have questions at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on IG. That's the only place I answer DMs. I went to Lincoln East, bro. I went to Lincoln East, my guy. Lincoln East. Lincoln East. Where is this? There we go. Once again, guys, if you have any questions, you can always DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. If you'd like access to the free Discord for Free Friday tomorrow or to the free masterclass, send me a DM on IG. What, Mr. Gene? How was your day, Mr. Gene? That's frustrating. What?
I was only in 3 micros when the whole was down. Yeah, I don't get it.
And that's a strong candle right there, above the 50% retracement too. Vibes are high today. Dude, Grandma called the banger again. Grandma with the banger on the shorts, baby. Come on. That was dope. Yo, if you guys got them, make sure you guys post your gains too. I want to see more and more post your gains every day. Show it off. Build the community. Build the accountability to show that you are learning and earning, baby. Love seeing that channel full. And tag me too. If you guys take my trades, take the team's trades, tag me, tag Greg, tag Grizzly. Damn, look at that move up. Let's see what we get for the rest of the morning. I'm gonna stick around for probably another 45 minutes. Another 45 minutes or so. To the new people here, Jdun is a great guy to learn
Is that
from.
the bottom?
Legit. Thank you,
Is the
Trader
bottom
DU.
here?
Much love, bro. God bless. I appreciate y'all coming in every day. If you're new here, make sure you hit that follow button on TikTok. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. I was a little late to the stream today. Well, I wasn't late. I just had technical difficulties. So I was here. My My Streamlabs was acting up. We do have a Discord. If you'd like access to the
I'm
free
trying
Discord.
short one more time on NQ, light size.
Grizzly's trying
One last
shorts one
time.
more time. Grizzly's trying shorts one more time.
It's
What I was
strong.
saying
This
is that
higher risk trade.
if you'd like access to the free Discord, you can send me a message on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord.
541 is where I got in.
Just go to your IG, type in Jdun Trades, and send me a DM. Make sure you hit that follow button too. What up, cutie patootie? Grizzly's short now. I'm not. I'm done taking trades. I'm ready. I made 3 racks of real money. I'm chilling. Here. I made progress on the fundeds too, but I really don't talk about that much. I'm not shorting shit. Nice. Crypto Trucker 2700. That's a great day. That's a great day.
We have VWAP at 573.
Oh my goodness.
We had pre-market low and the fair value gap 50% retracement there. If anybody's wondering why I entered.
Yep. If you're trading on funded accounts, make sure you guys use code JDUN. Code JDUN will get you 50% off Apex, 35% off Tradeify, and up to 50% off FFF. How many of y'all, when you trade fundeds, are using code JDUN? Let me know in the chat. Let me give you a shout out. Best possible discount code, and you get payout protection and discipline over dopamine. Steven is. Shout out Steven. Shout out Steven. I appreciate each and every one of you guys using code JDUN. I bought 20 accounts with code JDUN. Let's go, Mrs. Slop. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Zabby. Thank you, Tiffany. Thank you, Marquise.
Right at the top of the zone.
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Butts. Thank you, Vladimir.
Right underneath VWAP.
Seriously, thank you all
We
so
go
much.
any
I'll keep
higher,
doing my absolute best
I'll
to
get
help you
out.
guys pass your accounts, get funded, and get paid. I don't have a Top Step code. No, they don't have an affiliate program. Bought 50 accounts with your code. Well, thank you, but I hope we can get you buying less accounts. I don't want you churning and burning accounts. I want you trading with discipline on your accounts. Well, I appreciate your support. I hope that you don't have to buy many more accounts so you can take them seriously, trade them with discipline, get funded, get paid out, and move on from prop firms. What other mentor or guru is telling you that? None. They want you to churn and burn accounts so they can get paid.
Getting out here, everyone. Looks like it's going
I
to
want you
break
to get
this
the best
VWAP.
possible discount, trade your accounts with discipline, and stay focused on them. I don't want you treating them like gambling. So, as much as I appreciate your support, let's be disciplined with our accounts from now on. Always have a set stop. Always visualize your risk. Grizzly's out of his trade, too, for the record. This price action's wild.
Telling you, man, it's almost like this could be the short-term bottom, long-term bottom stuff there.
Let's go. What are your plans this weekend, Grizzly? Watch football?
Watch some football, work some. Go get in the woods some, mountains.
I'm just about to finish that book I've been reading, The Four Agreements. I'm
Nice.
gonna be honest. It's one of my favorite books and most powerful books that I've ever read. I've taken a lot from it. It's only 140 pages too, so it's a very easy read. It took me about a week. And mind you, I don't read super fast. I can read fast, but I also I like to absorb. Like my problem is I got a little bit of ADHD sometimes. So if I'm reading fast, bro, I'll read a page and just be like, what the hell did I just read? Like I won't retain any of it. So for me, I like to read very slow and make sure I'm taking in and digesting each word that I read. Otherwise, I just will read a page and have no clue what I just read. Like, all right, if someone quizzed me on this, I would absolutely fail. I don't have a clue what I just took in. But it's true, if you follow the four agreements, if you're impeccable with your word, if you don't take anything personal, you don't make assumptions, and you always do your best, it's very, very tough to not live a peaceful, happy life. It's also Tom Brady's favorite book. Yeah, I like having the audiobook read to me too. Audible's a great app. If you guys haven't used Audible, it's AUDIBLE. It's great.
The book I'm currently reading, I'm listening to it on audio as well at the gym, but let's see, where's it at?
Love audiobooks.
It's that 100 mil money models.
Hey, Apex 80% off is back.
Oh, that dude that you like, the
again.
Alex
What do you
guy?
know? Let's
Reading
go.
his book.
Payout protection. Let's go. Get your accounts ready, guys. What do you think? Should we give away some Apex accounts tomorrow too? What do y'all think? Should I text my connection right now?
What a move up.
Wild. Yep, Apex 80% off just dropped again. So if you guys have been looking to get an Apex account on apextraderfunding.com, you can use code Jdun for 80% off. I think lifetime PA fees are also $85, I believe. I got to double check that. Let's go. You come on. I appreciate y'all supporting me, showing some love. Use code Jdun with Apex. I'll post the link in chat right now on YouTube. Take a second. Go get yourself at least one funded account to trade with me tomorrow. I'll be on for an hour tomorrow. I'll be on a little less time because it's Friday. We're going to head out for the weekend. But you also get payout protection when you use code Jdun as well. I just pinned the comment in YouTube. So if you've been looking to get a funded account, you want to try it out, you want to start your funded journey, work towards your first payout, click that link and use code Jdun at checkout. I'll be live for another 45 minutes. I like that. Start cheap. Get a 50K. 50Ks are great. Either 50Ks or 150Ks. And activation fee is only $85
Jay
for
Quinn.
now. Yep.
Jdun, you still around?
Oh, I'm around. I am around. What's going on?
What's up? What a nice pump.
Dude, insane. I had a good day. Made 3 racks. Plus some money on the fundeds, but 3 racks and real money.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll take it. If I would have been heavy, that would have been a nice trade, but I wasn't. So it's all right.
Gonna make a bag on my funded today.
You made a bag on your funded?
No, I'm going to.
Oh.
Still looking.
You're going to make a bag.
Yeah.
I hope you do, bro.
Waiting on you to give us a trade?
You need a trade? Want me to give you a trade?
Yes.
You need me to find you a trade?
Need a trade now.
Yeah, 4 and 2, huh? You ain't even know this. Ugh. Yo, activation fees are only $85 as well on Apex right now. If you guys have been looking to get a funded account, I'll post the link. Use code Jdun. Get yourself at least 150K. Everyone on YouTube, go right now. Get yourself a 50K and let's trade it tomorrow. Were you friends with Lamar Jackson, Nebraska? I was. And my boy is Trey Scott, bro, if you know him. That's been the homie for life, bro. Me and Trey go way back to high school. I assume you know Trey if you knew Lamar. Good guys. Maybe you don't know them, and I'm just rambling.
Crazy.
Yeah,
Crazy
Trey's my
bounce.
boy, bro. I love that guy. He's a real one. Yeah, we go way back, bro, to high school. And we'll still talk like, once a month. Just casually. I just, he's all over the place. I'm all over the place, but he's hella cool, bro. That's dope. Yeah, send me a DM, man. That's crazy. That was a whole different life 5 years ago, if you know what I mean. Whole different life 6 years ago. Bro, I lost when we shorted and then gained it back and buying more calls. So just be careful. Have a stop loss, bro. Always manage your risk. The masterclass is free. If you'd like access, all you got to do is DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. JDUN Trades on IG. To send me a DM and say, hey, JDun, I'm ready to make some money. I'm ready to change my life. I'm from the live stream, and I'd love access to the free 3-day masterclass starting on October 6th. So there's literally no catch. There's literally no catch. It takes no card, nothing. If you've been to my webinar, if you've been to any webinar of mine before, you know you get a ton of value. Yes, I have a master mentor program. Yes, we have a Discord. But guess what? My webinar is not focused on selling you anything.
You notice, Jaden, the last few trades we've had, like we've had
Leslie's
good
talking. Hold on.
trades, but it'll almost hit low a day, then reverse enough to stop us out.
Yep. This orb looks like it wants to go too. My goal with the webinar is to provide as much value as I possibly can. Like Hormozy, he came and gave a ton of value. You know, he gave a ton of value.
Telling
He made
you all,
100
if
million
you
off
have,
it, right?
for those that lost money today or whatever,
But a majority of people
days where we have Fed speakers are the worst.
came and got a ton of free value, and that's what I hope to do for you guys. If you guys want to support me, take your trading to the next level, that's great. But there's
And we have this
absolutely
many.
no need ever.
Our day is packed full.
I
of
come
Fed
on and perform
speakers.
for y'all. What do you do when your stop loss is not executed? You have to manually do it. Manually market order. Happy with how today went, Grizzy Glock. That was cool.
Glad you made a bag, man.
Did all right. I kind of underperformed on the funded accounts, but I did good on my live.
I trade live so much better. What a move up. I'm impressed.
Yeah, that's wild. How do you get payouts if funded accounts are simulated money, right? They are simulated money. So here's how prop firms work, okay? From someone who owned one. I own one that's paid out almost $10 million. I sold my equity in it 7 months ago, but here's how it works. Is you typically operate around 30 to 40% margins, okay? So if I have 100 traders that come and pay me $100, I make $10,000. Well, of those 100 traders, I'd expect around 5%, 3 to 5% to get some sort of payout. Say they each get $1,000 to $1,200 payout. Well, that puts me around a 50% margin. I get $10,000, I pay out $5,000. You also have to pay Trade-Evate fees. You also have to pay other fees associated with your business. So that puts you around 30 to 40% value. So as the prop firm, I take, $10,000. I pay out $5,000, pay out another $2,000 in fees and such, and I keep the remainder. Now, from the internals of a prop firm, you know what I look at and what scares me from an owner perspective is when traders are taking base hits, managing their risk,
Cut out early on
taking 1 to 2
today,
trades a
everyone. I
day.
gotta take care of a
GD,
ton
my
of
man,
things
join
to
Team
do.
Bull. Best decision I've ever made.
Those
This man is an
errands.
absolute legend. And when traders are not gambling each day, I know that, I knew back in the day, whenever a trader would have massive days for 3-4 days in a row and put on a ton of size, I know that over the next 2-3 trading days, they're going to blow themselves up. But when you're consistently trading small size and base hits, like we do in Team Bull every single day, you are going to work your way towards more payouts, and that becomes a liability for the prop firm. It's basically a casino, yes. And the prop firm acts as the house. Yep. That's exactly what it is. Best community, yep. I've been saying we got a free Discord and a paid Discord. If you'd like access to the free version or paid version, vice versa, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on IG. Send me a DM, mention that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord. Just go to your Instagram, type in Jdun Trades, hit that follow button, and send me a DM. Let's talk. How much on a good day can you expect to make off $100? That's it's kind of an irrelevant question. And I don't mean that in a disrespectful way, but on a live account, you ain't gonna make nothing off $100, my guy. I'm just being real with you. But you could get a prop firm account. Won't the prop firms keep changing their rules to make it harder for traders to get payouts? Not necessarily, but I mean, there has been firms that have done that in the past. I mean, their job is to survive, right? Prop firm's got to do what it's got to do. As long as they're fair and they pay out, that's what I care about. But again, they're not an end-all be-all. I mean, Apex is hard, but they're the most scalable firm. You follow the rules, you will get paid. That's just a fact, especially when you use code Jdun. Lots of Team Bolt members are getting paid. Do you have an offshore broker? No, absolutely not. Oh, what was I going to do? I mean, in a sense, prop firms are kind of like an insurance company. If you're a liability, they'll drop you. Apex has been doing some weird stuff lately, like banning accounts specifically if you make too much money. I mean, if you become a liability, they will ban you. Totally. But guess what? What will a casino do if you're making too much money off them? They'll just kick you out. It's the same thing. You don't like the rules, don't play. That's how I look at it. You know, you're not going to get sympathy from me. I get it. It's frustrating, but you know, if you have the chance, like with Apex, for example, to turn $50 into $5,000, that's like it's a lot. It's like a what, 1,000% return? A lot. And casinos will give you incentives if you win small. Casinos will not give you incentives if you're winning hundreds of thousands of dollars. They like losing traders. Bro, there was one person I knew, this guy and his wife. This is hilarious. There was one guy I knew. This man and his wife were so bad at gambling. They would lose so much money in Vegas that not only would the casino comp them rooms, the casino would offer to fly them out. And say, anytime y'all want to come out here, we'll buy you flights. We'll buy you flights to get you a room. You come make yourself nice and cozy in our casino. You know, they had to have been losing a bag, bro. A big bag. If you're getting your flights comped, oh man. Or the casino, if you're winning like, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, 7,000, anything under like 10,000, they're gonna want you to come out because they know that statistically speaking, they're gonna have an edge and you're gonna end up giving back your money, more than likely. Apex and Top Step should be comping me. It's terrible, bro. Damn, we're going to make our way up to pre-market high now? Do I know any traders from Vegas? I don't. I mean, I know some on social media, but I worked for a guy like that too. Dude would gamble and lose 100K plus in a night. That is wild, bro. It's crazy. I can't get out of my risk management mindset when I go to the casino. Like when I'm at the casino, I have the same risk management mindset that I do as a trader. Like if I lose 1,000 or 2,000, I'm pissed. I'm like, all right, well, how are we going to strategically get this back? Oh my gosh, look at that move up. I always say that. People complain. They say, well, prop firms aren't fair. If you make too much money, they're going to ban you or switch you to live. And it's like, well, what do casinos do? You can't hate the game. You know, you're in their house. You have the chance to turn $50 into $500 or $5,000. That's what happens. You got to play by their rules. Which is what it is. Don't like it, don't play. You do like it, then you play. You follow the rules, you win, you get your bread, you move on. Don't. No. The difference between pro gamblers and amateurs is discipline. That's exactly right. And system. I seen one streamer with 20 Apex accounts who made $2,000 a day and they banned all his accounts. Well, if he didn't follow the rules, then they probably did. Or they'll just tell you can't buy more evals. They'll let you keep trading. But once you blow your accounts, you can't buy more evals. They do make money off people losing. That is correct. Hillboss said, my older brother has worked for multiple casinos over his career. Last 10 years, he is the executive director of player development. You wouldn't believe the stories he tells about his top players. Top meaning the ones who blow hundreds of thousands in a weekend. Top players. I bet prop firms have top players. Like, oh yeah, good old George is back. He's gonna blow another 8K in evals today, bro. We had when I owned FFF, we had people spending $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 on evals. And maybe I'm speaking directly to the heart to y'all. And if that's you, I encourage you to please use more discipline in your trading because prop firms are loving you, and I want prop firms to hate you. As a member of Team Bowl, you're trading with Grizzly, myself, Greg, the team, and I want prop firms to despise you. Did Grizzly Irish goodbye us, or did I just miss it? Oh, I just missed it. Well, bye, Grizzly. Adios, bro. Adios, my guy. This kind of looks like it's flagging to the upside. Telling y'all, as far as price action goes, take a look at screen share. Whenever you guys see, time and time again, an aggressive volume candle, higher volume, above a key level like we see with the 15 or with the 50% retracement here, you're more often than not going to continue in that direction. That's why as we moved up here, there was no chance I was shorting this until we got a break below this structure to the downside. Keep your 5-minute chart up. Keep watching how each candle is closing. Keep watching how your key levels are being respected or disrespected. And it's going to lead to you having a ton more success as a trader. It's that simple. It doesn't have to be super complicated ICT. In fact, I think that super complicated ICT makes things worse for 95% of traders. It's all about managing risk, BPA, and key levels. You do those things, you keep your head on straight, you don't blow yourself up, you're going to have a lot more profitability to your trading. Big Zo, my bro. It's all right, man. We'll get it back. You guys do know what ICT stands for, right? I can't trade. If you didn't know, now you know. It stands for I can't trade. That's what it stands for. Oh, that was a good stretch. Woo. You guys ever have those stretches where you're just like, felt good? Yeah, I don't let drama into my life, bro. drama and negativity. I mean, there's a reason why people are gossiping and spewing out hate and negativity. And it's because they're internally unhappy. I don't let that energy into my life. We focus on positivity here, winning. I mean, trading's stressful enough as is. That's why these trading influencers that want to constantly cause drama and fight, it's like, bro, there's no way you're actually making money. Why would I focus my attention and peace on spiritually unhappy people? You can pray for them. That's about it. Our thoughts and feelings shape our reality. That is exactly right. That and how you speak to yourself. Totally. That's why I'm such an advocate for speaking to yourself positively, especially when it comes to your trading. One takeaway that I got from my reading this morning was that you need to become a master of accountability. And that just doesn't mean accountability for things you're doing. It's accountability for things that you're not doing. And it's accountability for how you speak to yourself on a daily basis. It's accountability for making sure you're doing your best every day. Like right now, here's a practice. Ask yourself for today's trading day, did you do your absolute best in everything you could do? Can you guys answer that honestly? If you did, that's great. Did you do your absolute best today? Did you map out your risk before any trades that you took? Were you focused every second of today's trading day? Did you avoid scrolling on social media while you were trading? Did you go into the day with a plan of how many contracts you were going to trade? Did you pre-market scan your mental? Were you focused? If you didn't do your best on each and every one of those categories today, then you have room for improvement. And if you're doing your best at staying accountable and staying focused and staying disciplined, eventually your trading is going to improve. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Didn't do my best, but I did improve from yesterday. And what I mean by doing your best too is it doesn't mean that you're perfect. It means that you genuinely did your best in every category to improve. You can do your best and still have a red day. And that's what people mix up. You can do your best and miss 3 trades, but as long as you came in and gave your best effort and were as focused as you can be and managed your risk to the best of your ability, that's what matters to me. That's what's going to make you a better trader long term. It doesn't get lots of views. It doesn't light the world up. It's kind of boring to listen to, but hopefully it's helped at least one of you guys improve your trading and be a more disciplined trader. That's what I care about, is helping you guys improve. As a reminder, TikTok, I appreciate y'all being here. Jeffrey, I appreciate the follow. Make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I trade live here every single day with screen share, exact entries, and exits. Make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. Talia, Adam, appreciate the follows, everybody. Nick, appreciate the follow, bro. Thank you. SSSSS, appreciate the follow. Ismail, Edwin, Ty, appreciate the follows, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Join me every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And tomorrow is Free Friday in Team Bull. So every Friday we open up our premium our premium community for free inside the Discord. So if you'd like access to Free Friday, go to Instagram after this live, type in Jdun Trades, and send me a DM and mention that you'd like access to the free Discord. Yep, go to Instagram, type in Jdun Trades, and DM me to join the free Discord. I appreciate you. I paid too much money for a different group. Learn way more from your free stream. Appreciate you, Hustler. God bless, bro. You should join the free Discord too, Hustle Dad. We'd love to have you, man. If you send me a DM on IG, I can get you the link. There's a lot of value in the free Discord. Tons of value. New here. What's your strategy? I trade VPA and price action. Welcome to the stream, bro. Appreciate all y'all hitting that follow button. We got 85 new followers. If you're here and you don't follow yet, I kindly and respectfully ask you for a follow in that top left corner. I'd love to help you. I'd love to earn your trust. If you don't get value from these streams, go ahead and unfollow. But I think you'll get a lot of value. Same with the YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Did any of you watch my new video on YouTube? I just posted a new video on my Jdun Trades YouTube. Any of you guys watched that yesterday? If you haven't, you should definitely go watch it. It's very good. It's titled, Stop Telling People You're a Day Trader. Stop bragging about day trading. Keep it to yourself. Stay focused. I will post the link here to it. It's on my channel, Jdun Trades. Each and every one of you guys, if you have 8 minutes, should go watch my new YouTube video. If you're on YouTube, you're already on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. It means a lot. That's your homework for this weekend, to spend time watching my latest upload. I promise you will learn and get value from it. It will not waste your time. That's a promise. That is a promise, my friends. Yep, it's on my YouTube, Jdun Trades, Jdun Trades, 142,000 subscribers. I just posted a new video yesterday. I'd really appreciate if you took 8 minutes out of your day today or at some point this weekend and watched. I promise you'll get value. I know your time's valuable and I'm not here to waste it. Can you repeat what you said about doing your best? I'm thinking of making a checklist for my everyday trading. That's a great idea. So let's make a checklist for our everyday trading. If you want to do your best, Team Bull, and you want to be at your best each and every trading day, let's start with this. Doing your best means that you know your exact position size going into the day. How many contracts are you going to take? And more importantly, how many contracts can your emotional state as a trader handle? If you want to take 3, but you know that's going to invoke emotion and too much risk, you need to be trading 1. You always want to have this planned out prior to the trading day. It's going to take out a lot of guessing. Each decision that we can take out of our trading day is one less obstacle we have to go through in our path to making money. 2, if you're going to do your best, you need to do your mental scan. How is your impulsivity? How is your anxiety? How did you sleep? How is your focus? All very important aspects to having a sound mindset while you are taking trades. If any of those, say you're focused, you're doing all right, you're not so impulsive, you're not anxious, but you slept horribly, that's going to tell me that I need to size down. Right? I run through that mental checklist every single morning. 3, doing your best trading is making sure that your risk is defined before each trade. So when you take a trade, say that I'm not taking any trades. Say that we took, a long right here at 640, okay? And we have our stop at 615. We know that that entails 25 points of risk. So if you have 1 micro and 25 points of risk, that means that you have $50 worth of risk total. Damn, that would have been a fire long entry though. You have $50 worth of risk. So if you set your hard stops at your stop loss and you get stopped, okay, my biggest risk on this trade, give or take a little slippage, is around $50. You shouldn't be surprised at the size of your losses anymore. You shouldn't just be taking a trade and, I lost this trade and ended up somehow losing $500. That shouldn't be a thing for you anymore if you want to make it long term. So always visualize your risk and plan your risk prior to taking the trade. You put your stops where the trade is no longer valid and where it makes sense from a risk reward standpoint. Doing your best also entails you have at least 2 confirmations per trade. You're not rattling off trades out of boredom. You're not rattling off trades out of spite or tilt. And you're not rattling off trades out of revenge. You need to treat your trading like a business. And treating trading like a business entails that you're managing inventory, you're making smart strategic decisions, and every transaction you must understand has risk to it. So put the cards, put the deck in your favor. Put the odds in your favor. Those are some glimpses at what doing your best looks like. You do the little things, you do the simple things, and the big results come over time. That's what you guys have to understand. And if you understand that, that long entry would have printed our fake long entry printed, baby. We didn't actually take anything, but for the example we gave, that's funny. Maybe I should make a video on what doing your best as a trader looks like so you guys can have it in a long form. Would you guys watch it? If I sat there and yapped about trading and doing your best? Got an Apex account for tomorrow using your code. Thank you, Sydney. How many contracts do you trade to pass the eval? I messed up the first account and want to do better this time. I like to go a little heavier on evals. I'd rather go a little aggressive than try to scalp my way up because with trailing drawdown, it's tough. Coco Trades said, something that helps me is pretend you hired a trader to make you money. What would you expect of them throughout the day? Now apply that to yourself. That's a great mindset. I really like that. I really like that. You know what helps me too is the Joe Rogan quote. Whenever I find myself slacking or procrastinating or not doing my best, I'll think to myself, if I had a camera crew following me right now, would I be sitting here scrolling on Instagram? No, I wouldn't. I'd be grinding. So you got to think to yourself that all eyes and cameras are on you. Every day is a blessing. Tomorrow is never promised. So do your absolute best today. Do everything you can to improve today. Keep your peace of mind. Be a master of accountability. Be very intentional with every move that you make. And eventually, you are not only going to see more success in your life, but specifically for what we're talking about, you'll see more success in your trading. It's crazy how much I've improved watching this. Thank you, guys. I appreciate y'all more than you know. I hope you guys join me in Team Bull every day and become a more confident, disciplined, and better trader. Do those things. I'm doing my job as a mentor. What made you want to become a mentor? Because I didn't have one when I first started out. And honestly, I had never planned to have any sort of online presence or to be a guru. I learned how to trade to make money trading. That's what people forget. A lot of days now, a lot of times, people are learning how to trade only to sell a course or only to be a guru. I didn't even know what social media was when I first started. I had no social media. I just wanted to learn how to trade because I thought it was cool and I wanted to get freedom without having a boss. So I had a few friends ask me, you know, like, what was it, 4 years into my trading journey? Well, just under 4 years. And they're like, hey, you know, we see you making good money. We see that you're crushing this trading thing. Can you teach us? And so I was like, all right. Started teaching about 5 of them. We had this little Discord that, again, was not public. We just all used it as a place to talk to each other. And eventually they convinced me to make a TikTok. They're like, Jdun, you're good at teaching this. You know, you're very passionate about this. You've helped us. You should help other people. So I was like, all right, you know, I'll make some videos. I'll make some videos about trading. And they were absolutely horrific. And then one time, probably 2 months in, I had a video go absolutely parabolic. And it's funny because a lot of people in Team Bull came from TikTok originally, which is absolutely insane to this day to me. This video goes parabolic, and I think to myself, well, if I did this one time and had a video that impacted a lot of people and got a lot of views, I can do this again and again and again. And that's just kind of what happened. And I became an influencer, which is hilarious because I'm one of the most introverted people in the world. Gene, how hard is it to get me out of the house? It's tough. I don't like to leave the house, bro. I don't like leaving the house. I don't go out. I don't party. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I just literally be minding my own business and getting money. I mind my own business and get money. Got to get the bot talk out of here, bro. Come on now. That got you mute. Come on now. Should we short here? I mean, I wouldn't. You can. I'm not going to tell you yes or no. I'm not going to tell you yes or no. I actually originally started Team Bull with a guy named Johnny. Well, I started Team Bull and I added Johnny in, but it was only us two at first. I wonder if anyone in voice right now has been here since the Mile High Trading Johnny and I days. Has anyone been here since the start? That's on voice? Well, I believe Grizzly was the first admin. A Dumpster too. Dumpster was with me, man. R.I.P. Dumpster, bro. R.I.P. Dumpster, man. I miss Dumpster for far, far more than trading, but I can't lie. It was so fun being able to see Dumpster come in and be like, all right, guys, stock XYZ is up 500%. We're up 10,000% on, Flub. So Dumpster's official cause of death was he had cardiac arrhythmia. He died in his sleep, but it was unfortunately impacted heavily on use of alcohol. It's just something he couldn't kick. And it's a big reason why I don't drink at all. I mean, I've never been an alcoholic. He unfortunately fought a really tough battle with alcohol, and it degraded his body massively. It inhibited his body to fight and his heart to get weak. But yeah, he died painless, which is, there's peace in that for sure. He fought really hard. He just couldn't kick it. Alcohol's the devil, man. Especially for people with alcoholism, it's really tough. That's crazy, Diesel. The Dumpster was a real one, bro. He was dope. He was as loyal as they come. Dumpster was an admin, yep. He was one of the Team Bull OGs. I'm sorry to hear that Niche scored. Yep, Dumpster Thursday, baby. His favorite days are Thursday. Have I read the book Outwitting the Devil? Look at this in the camera. You bet your butt. Literally right behind us. That's crazy. Been sober almost 25 years. Screw drugs and alcohol. Amen to that. Very fitting we talk about him on a day like today, Dumpster Thursday. Oh, man. You know what we had for dinner last night? Y'all see my Instagram story? I made Grandma and I a nice, big old, beautiful ribeye and some calf liver. Oh, I love calf liver. It is literally so good. I don't know how you cannot like liver. Liver and onions with some steak. Ooh, elite meal. You talk about health. You talk about nutrients. The liver's the king. Liver's the king. I'm the new age liver king, except for I'm not on roids. My parents love liver. They are 71 and healthy AF. Yup. I'm the 6'7" liver king. Dude, I love it. I honestly like the taste. And Gene, hey, you liked the calf liver too. You didn't like the beef liver. The first time I got Gene to try beef liver, I'm like, bro, try it. He takes a bite. This dude is just chewing with a look of absolute disgust on his face and ends up spitting it out. You are not 6'7". I am, but okay. I'm not some guy on Tinder, bro. I don't gotta lie about my height. I'm sorry, Gene.
5'8", if anybody asks.
Okay, you know what? I like this water, but y'all keep telling me I'm drinking this Mountain Valley. I keep getting people on my Instagram that are like, Jdun, stop drinking that water. I'm like, bro, I like it. So what's the sauce? Should I not be drinking Mountain Valley or what? I like it. But apparently I'm doing something wrong. So please explain to me where I'm going wrong drinking Mountain Valley. I have Eldorado too. I get Eldorado delivered to my house. Colorado water, baby. See, now I got people saying Mountain Valley has been tested by multiple people, busting the myth that it's perfectly fine and clean like it's labeled. How do you get in a Lamborghini at 6'7"? Honestly, I ask myself the same question every time I get in. What, Gene?
Yes.
Are you trading?
Yeah. It is just an email though.
You're in shorts, huh?
I was in church. Yeah. I passed an account.
You're funny. FFF?
Yeah.
You like FFF, bro.
They're cool.
They're fine.
They're cheap right now. They're really cheap.
Better use code JDUN.
I couldn't. It was a reset.
Oh, there's no codes and resets.
I don't think so. Must be a close up.
Do I trade gold futures? I should. I don't trade gold a lot, but there is some really good price action on gold.
You know, gold is really good Asia session.
I've heard.
Maybe that's why I should start trading Asia.
Does anybody know what book I mentioned? The Four Agreements. Hey, Gene, you want to come say hi? I got to use the restroom. All right, guys. Gene's getting on for a second. You guys be nice to him, all right? If you see any trades you like, rip it.
Oh, you bet. Should I rip some trades, guys, on his account? Hey. I had a confirmation on that short, okay? Buddy, I've been waiting for that. Had a fib up here around like 50. Took it down. I full ported my eval on it with FFF. And I passed it. So, happy. I'm already full maxed out with Top Step, so I had to get some more evals with a different firm. Can you guys hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. Can you? Yep. What I meant by being maxed out with Top Step is I have the max allocation of accounts. So I have 500 accounts with them, and after you have 5, you can't have any more. So it's not worth buying the evals. You know, if I can't even activate them once I pass. I have 5 with Top Step. But I like Tradeify and FFF. Apex, I need to get into Apex. I do. I slack on the Apex scalability. No, I have 500 accounts. You can have reserves on Top Step, but I mean, what do I need them for? You know? So on Apex or Top Step, they have a copy trader. If I'm only trading my FFFs, I'll use just the Tradeivate copy trader. And if I'm trading multiple firms like Tradeify and FFF and Apex, I'll use the Ninja Trader copier. Guys, my entry on that was 43. I didn't do well on my Top Steps today though. So I originally was up. I thought we were gonna break that low day, and I didn't trim. I was in like pretty light. I was only in 5 micros, and it just ended. I was up like 50 points, but thinking back on it, I got to reflect on it still. But I didn't trim, and I didn't set my stop loss and profit. Went to break even. We were coming up to another level that I thought we were gonna get a little bit more of a pullback, and then we were gonna go short again. We didn't have that didn't happen. We just kept ripping. So I ended up just stopping out. I stopped out 2 trades for 20 points each, and with 5 micros, I think, something like that. Anyways, I ended negative 400 on the day, but it's not bad. I mean, yesterday I was up. I made 650, so it's okay. Dude, literally.
The shorts.
Yep.
Damn.
The shorts while you're wearing shorts.
Shorts while I'm in the shorts. Shorts while I'm in the shorts. While I'm in the shorts. While I'm in the shorts.
I didn't hook your account.
You didn't? You should have.
I was, but yeah, I didn't want to. I
Nice.
wouldn't have traded many contracts though.
Ugh. Signed up for the masterclass, but haven't received my email. Well, you should. If you typed it in correctly, you will 100% get access. Oh yes, let's go. What was shorts paid, bro? That was dope. Let's see if we went and done a retested that 15-minute high for us to just keep going up. Now we're going to pump. What you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Gene started trading BA on my accounts. He better not.
I started what? Trading who?
Someone said you started trading Boeing on my accounts. I said, you better not.
Oh, I started trading ICT.
Oh my gosh, look at that absolute ripper up.
I told you.
That's a ripper.
That's crazy.
Jdun, you in any trades? Nope. I'm done taking trades. I got my 3 racks for the day. Made some money on my fundeds. I'm chilling. I'm vibing. If you guys didn't see, Apex just brought back 80% off using code Jdun. You'll get 1 day pass. You'll keep 100% of your first $25,000 in profit. PA fees are only $85. And you get payout protection. If there's any issues with your payout, Jdun's got your back. I got your back. Make sure you guys go lock in your discounts right now. Go get yourself at least one account, 150K to trade tomorrow. The link is pinned in the YouTube. You can see it there. Just make sure you use code Jdun at checkout. If you guys want to support your boy, get yourself funded, get yourself the best discount, go get yourself a 50K for tomorrow. PA fees are only $85 right now, not $140. Lifetime. We did get some trades today. We caught some shorts earlier. Hey, is this quality on the YouTube the same as usual? It looks good. I changed my streaming software because my OBS was acting out this morning. Looks the same to me. I just wanted to make sure it was good for you guys too. Good. Solid. Do I have a Twitch account? I do not. It's almost been 2 hours, Team Bull. I am going to get off here soon, though. I'm going to mob off very soon. I'm going to go exercise my right to freedom as a day trader. Yeah, that test of the 15-minute high was nasty. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Let's got the account up $1,000. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. That's dope. If you guys don't like Apex either, I mean, they're the best deal right now. You can also trade with Tradeify. They have evals and they also have straight to funded accounts, meaning you don't have to go through an eval. If you go to tradeify.co, my code Jdun works there as well. I took some shorts. That's what I took today. With some shorts. Don't. And we're about to get high today. That's crazy. What's my bias? Honestly, my bias is I'm about to hit the gym. My bias right now is I'm about to hit this workout. My bias is aggressive arms day. That's my bias. My bias is that you guys should each do something positive for yourself today. Jdun, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I take a W for 200+%, then 2 to 3 L's, remove that. It's easy to lose, but hard to make money. I mean, that's a struggle that a lot of traders have. And it all boils down to really identifying your risk on every trade. Because think about it, if you make 100%, call it, and in the next 3 trades, you plan out to lose 33% and you follow that, well, you do that 3 times, you're going to get back that big win. But at least it's calculated at that point. You want it to be calculated. Your losses all need to be calculated and strategic. That's what you have to understand. Oof. All right, fellas, I am about to mob off. But before I go, if you'd like access to free Friday inside Team Bowl tomorrow, or if you'd like access to my 3-day free masterclass that starts on October 6th, send me a DM on Instagram. Go to your Instagram, go to your search bar, type in Jdun Trades. I'll put it in chat, JDUN Trades on Instagram, and send me a DM. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free Discord or the free live training, depending on what you're looking for. And I will get back to you either way. I'll put it on the TikTok screen as well. All right. Put that on the screen right there so you guys can see it. You can send me a DM on there. And I will get back to you ASAP today. So I look forward to seeing you guys on Instagram. I'm going to mob off for the day, Team Bowl. God bless, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? Adios, everyone. Great job today. Manage your risk. Don't do anything silly. We got a lot of good trading days in the next couple of weeks, months, and years, baby. God bless. Have a great day. Do something positive for yourself. And if you've been looking to start a great book, I recommend The 4 Agreements by Don Ruiz. This book is amazing. It's one of my favorites that I've ever read. And if you're looking for something to get you back on track, keep you at peace, get you more focused, bring some more fulfillment to your life, it's a game changer. So God bless y'all. I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right, guys, I'm out of here. TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner so you don't miss out on the next live stream. YouTube, same thing. Hit that subscribe. I'll see you guys on the flip side. And make sure if you have questions, send me a DM on Instagram. God bless y'all. Peace.